So today we are talking about a common concern, the stubborn dark spots that just won't fade, no matter what cream or soap you use. You scrub, you exfoliate, you even try expensive products, but they keep coming back, making your skin look uneven and dull. Here's something most people don't know: those dark spots aren't just marks. They're your skin crying out for healing from the inside out. And today, I'll show you how to fade them naturally, safely, and effectively. So don't skip a second of this, because the secret you'll discover might just be the last remedy you'll ever need for spotless, glowing skin. Hello friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. Understanding dark spots and pigmentation. Let's start by understanding what's actually happening beneath your skin. Dark spots, also known as hyperpigmentation, occur when certain areas of your skin produce too much melanin, the pigment that gives your skin, hair, and eyes their natural color. This extra melanin clumps together and shows up as darker patches on your skin. But why does this happen? There are several sneaky triggers that many people don't realize. 1. Sun exposure, the number one cause. When your skin is overexposed to UV rays, it produces more melanin to protect itself, leading to dark spots. 2. Acne scars. When pimples heal, they can leave behind marks or scars that darken over time. 3. Hormonal changes, especially in women, pregnancy, birth control, or hormonal imbalances can cause melasma, a type of pigmentation. 4. Inflammation or injury. Even small wounds or burns can cause darker patches once healed. 5. Harsh skin products. Using too many chemical-based or strong products can damage your skin barrier, causing discoloration. But here's something amazing: your skin can repair itself naturally if you give it the right ingredients and care. The secret power of natural ingredients. Nature has powerful remedies that gently heal, brighten, and even out your skin tone without harsh side effects. Let's explore a few natural ingredients that have stood the test of time. 1. Lemon juice, the brightening boost. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, a natural brightener that helps fade dark spots and boosts collagen. But it's strong, so always dilute it. How to use? Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of honey or aloe vera gel. Apply it on dark spots for 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice a brighter, more even skin tone. Always apply sunscreen afterward. Lemon can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. 2. Aloe vera, the gentle healer. Aloe vera is pure magic for the skin. It soothes irritation, reduces redness, and encourages new cell growth. It contains a compound called aloe, which naturally lightens hyperpigmentation. How to use? Scoop fresh aloe gel from a leaf and apply it directly to your dark spots before bedtime. Leave it overnight and rinse in the morning. With daily use, it fades spots, scars, and gives your skin a soft, glowing look. 3. Turmeric, the golden glow secret. Turmeric is not just a spice, it's a skincare hero. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation, reduces pigmentation, and promotes even-toned skin. How to use? Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of yogurt or honey. Apply evenly on your face, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off. It brightens your skin naturally and leaves a golden glow. 4. Potato juice, the unexpected brightener. Yes, the humble potato can actually lighten dark spots. It's rich in natural enzymes and vitamin C that reduce pigmentation and blemishes. How to use? Cut a fresh potato and rub it directly on dark spots for 5 minutes. Let the juice sit for 10 to 15 minutes before washing off. Do this daily for faster results. 5. Green tea, the antioxidant shield. Green tea isn't just good for drinking, it's excellent for your skin. It helps block excess melanin production and protects your skin from free radicals. How to use? Steep a green tea bag, let it cool, then dab it gently on dark areas for 5 to 10 minutes. Repeat every day. It's soothing, refreshing, and healing. Your simple daily routine for clear skin. Let's put these remedies together into a daily plan that fits your routine. Morning routine. 1. Wash your face with a mild, natural cleanser. 2. Apply the lemon plus honey mixture 3 times a week. 3. Rinse and pat dry gently. 4. Use a moisturizer and sunscreen, even indoors. Sun protection is key to preventing new dark spots. Evening routine. 1. Cleanse your face thoroughly to remove dirt and makeup. 2. Apply aloe vera gel or potato juice on the dark spots. 3. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. 4. Massage a few drops of coconut oil or almond oil to moisturize. Consistency is everything. Follow this for a few weeks, and your skin will start to look brighter, fresher, and more even-toned. Extra tips for faster results. Drink lots of water. It helps your skin flush out toxins. Eat fruits high in vitamin C and E, like oranges, papaya, and avocados. Avoid picking pimples. It only makes pigmentation worse. Exfoliate gently once or twice a week with natural scrubs, like oatmeal or sugar. Sleep well. Your skin regenerates most when you rest. Small habits make a big difference. Dark spots can steal your confidence. They make you feel like your face is hiding your true beauty. But remember this, your skin is capable of healing itself. It doesn't need harsh chemicals or quick fixes. It just needs consistent love and care. Every time you choose a natural remedy, you're choosing to heal your skin from the inside out. You're saying yes to patience, purity, and long-lasting results. So start today. Look in the mirror not to judge, but to appreciate how far your skin has come. Because glowing skin isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling confident in your own skin.